Okay, so my friend Dan and I were doing the Destroy the Space Station. This mission comes with the Negh'var, so I had to include a Negh'var class in my build. I've chosen Worf on the Korega with the Klingon, what do you call it, faction thing or whatever, the Klingon flagship, that's what it is. And he's also got Negh'var, Alexander, and Kurla on there with him. I'm allowed 3 crew because the Korega gets 2, and then the flagship allows for another one. Martok is on the Negh'var, and then Koloth, Adrex, and Clag are on the Makta, and that's 120 points. And for him, he's got, who do you have there?
I've got Picard on the Enterprise, which is Galaxy class.
Yeah, not the Enterprise. Just a Galaxy class ship.
Just a Galaxy class Federation starship.
Yeah.
But Picard's on there. I've got Riker in the space station.
Yeah.
And I've got no name. What's his name? Romulan.
Commander.
Romulan captain who served me so well in the last campaign.
He did. Oh my goodness, did he ever?
But not on the Diedrichs. I'm on the Kazara.
Oh, you do have the Kazara for that one. So it's weird that you took the just the Galaxy class of the Enterprise, because the Enterprise has that 360.
You know, I found I didn't use it very much.
Okay, so that's why. Yeah, here we are. So my objective is just to destroy the station. I have to do it within 10 turns. So we'll have to have the mission tokens for that, and we'll count down. I got 10 turns to destroy the station, and up against the Romulan, there's the Romulans and the Federation. And he's got the Federation flagship, so the station will benefit. Like, what does it get to do?
If it's within
1-2, which it is right now.
1 or 2, then it gets to reroll his defense dice.
Ooh, okay, so that's nice. Okay, very nice.
Any number of their defense dice.
Any number of their defense dice. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, here's turn 1. His Kazara got. That was the Kazara. You get to roll 1 more dice, one more attack dice. Well, it wouldn't have mattered because I rolled enough of 8s. His Kazara got hit by 1 crit. Only the Kazara and the Korega could fire at each other. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. He just got 1 hit, and the crit just means that can't turn, or all hard turns are red maneuvers. And that's where we're at right now. So why did you place that ship so close, all by himself? I was surprised.
The question is, why did I place him facing you? That was the foolish thing.
Well, we'll see if it's so foolish. I've learned to be wary of you. We'll see what happens. Okay, this was a bit of a weird move. He moved his Kazara forward 4. I think he was trying to bump my ships. But he didn't, and then my 3 ships moved forward 1 and blew him to pieces. The Negh'var and the Vorcha fired, and that's all that was necessary. His Galaxy class completely deserted the Romulans. It backed up. I was surprised that you didn't wheel around. How come you didn't wheel around, just take a shot on me or something like that? Help those poor Romulans out.
I gotta stay close to the station.
You gotta stay close to the station. Well, you could have backed up the Kazara. Put the Kazara on the side and the Galaxy class on the other side and could have backed them up.
It was my first thought, and then I thought, better not.
Better not, okay. Okay, well, that's, you're down 1 ship. That's
you
turn...
haven't taken any damage?
I haven't taken any damage, that's right. That was turn 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I still have 8 more turns to try to destroy the station. But looking pretty good so far. Okay, that was the Makta with Koloth on it. That was destroyed by the station. The Enterprise really just smashed them, smashed the shields down and stuff, and then Riker on the space station blew them up. Hard to do anything when the station had 6 attack dice with battle stations. However, all 3 of my ships managed to damage the station. The station only has 3 hull left. So, looks like I might be able to destroy the station, but that's kind of where we're at right now. Where we're looking. Okay, that was a pretty brutal round. The Negh'var finished off the station barely. The flagship extra thing, their ability to give turn a blank into a hit, is what helped the Negh'var get an extra hit, because the Corega is the flagship, and Kurla saved my flagship from a hit because he can turn one battle stations into an evade. So it's really close game here in that regard. Yeah. But the station is destroyed, so I filled that objective. But we're just going to finish this off, see how it goes, see if the Enterprise either maybe can escape off its own board edge or can take something out. We'll see how we do it here. But yeah, the mission is successful for the Klingons. So the station's destroyed, but we're just going to see if he can escape off his own board edge. So he's got to turn around here and escape. Station's destroyed and stuff like that, and the Klingons will just see if they can finish off the last remaining ship. Okay, the Enterprise is trying to escape there. The Corega did a sensor echo to move in close and scored a really good hit. Got a hit and 2 crits on him. One was a warp core breach. They might blow up at the start of the next turn. What was the other one?
Structural damage reducing by agility bonus.
Oh, that's right. So he's going to be easier to hit now as well. So that's where we're at right now. Okay, so that's the end of the space station mission. The Enterprise reversed. I think he's trying to catch me off guard like that Romulan ship did in our other game. But the Negh'var still had a shot, fired, and was able to destroy him. Once again, the flagship special ability of turning one blank into a hit just does it for me. And of course, I had to spend the battle stations as well. And I think he had something, so he was down in agility. So it was pretty much a sure kill. What do you think of the mission in general, though, that space station mission? Is it good?
I think the original startup makes a big difference.
It is. Yeah.
Because there's not a lot of maneuver room. So if you're pointing in the wrong direction, like I was, you're kind of forced into, oh, I'm going to be the first ship attacked by 3 others.
That's right, feeding piecemeal. I've used battle stations before, and I find that's the same problem. When you're the defender, like a lot of your points are tied up in the battle station, and you can't move anywhere with the space station. So the problem is, if you go forward too fast, you're destroyed piecemeal. If you don't move forward enough, the space station is hit before you can defend it. So it's hard to predict when the enemy will hit. But yeah.
It'd be better, I think, with 3 smaller ships than trying it with 2 big ones.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. No, that would probably have helped a bit. Anyway, good. I think it's a good mission, a fun mission.
Yeah, we did good.